Check out this 2010 Chevrolet Avalanche LS. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include telematics, cruise control, leather steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, aluminum wheels, floor mats, rear defrost, daytime running lights, and auxiliary audio input. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.